Good morning everybody. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class as children. So what we are learning children? We are learning chapter number 5, that is Project Sunshine. As children, that is Project Sunshine. So children, yes, open your English textbook, page number 50. Yes. So children, tell me what we have learned in this lesson. Yes. So children, before moving to the next part of the story, let's recall what we have learned in our last class. So children, tell me what we have learned in the last class. We have learned about Jeet and his friend Rakesh. Yes, that Jeet and his friend Rakesh were discussing their EVS project. Yes. So children, then Rakesh could not hide his excitement and he said that he is making a model of school with his dad. Yes. Then he asked to Jeet, what about you? So children, Jeet made a face. Yes. So as we all know children, an aeroplane flying into the horizon gave Jeet the idea for his project. As children, an aeroplane flying into the horizon gave Jeet the idea for his project. So children, then with the help of Shirish uncle, yes, Shirish uncle arrived on Saturday morning and with the help of Shirish uncle he made a sketch. Yes, so Jeet wrote down the measurement as Uncle Shirish called them out. So children, then with the help of Uncle Shirish, he quickly drew up a list of things they would need. So list andre ಏನು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೂಜಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದು ಪ್ರೊಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ और ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ओके, सो वो क्या करते हैं, लिस्ट बना के लेते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, सो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट दे नीड? फर्स्ट वन इज अ पीस ऑफ वुड कटर, a piece of wood cutter, some smaller thinner piece of wood for the wings and tail, and 2 ice cream sticks for the propellers, and 1 round wooden stick for the nose, and a small piece of iron wire or paper clip for the axle of the propellers. Yes. So children, what is meant by propellers? Propellers means blades that spin, used for moving a ship or aircraft. Okay. Then a metal bar. Axle means a metal bar that connects a pair of wheels in a car or other vehicles. So children, so then he made the list of tools. Okay, tools andre ಹತಿಯಾರ್, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು, ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಹಿ ಮೇಡ್ ದ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಾ, ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ದೆನ್ ವೈರ್ ಕಟರ್, ದೆನ್ ವುಡ್ ಗ್ಲೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಶೋ ಯು ಸಮ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, which they would need. Okay, so children, let me show you some pictures of tools which they would need. So here children, yes, so these are called children propellers. Okay, these are called propellers. So propeller means, look at the picture of propellers. Yes, blades that spin. Spin means ghumna. Okay, spin andre enu, spin andre घूमना. ओके, ब्लेड्स दैट स्पिन यूज फॉर मूविंग अ शिप और एयरक्राफ्ट. सो आपने देखा होगा एक शिप में भी क्या होता है, ऐसे प्रोपेलर्स यूज होते हैं. ಶಿಪ್ದಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಇದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಂಥದ್ದು ಪ್ರೊಪೆಲ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. यस, सो दिस आर द सम पिक्चर्स ऑफ प्रॉपेलर्स. आई होप अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि प्रॉपेलर्स मीन्स व्हाट. यस, आई होप यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट चिल्ड्रन. यस, सो दीज आर सम पिक्चर्स ऑफ प्रॉपेलर्स. यस, so now children, this is saw. Yes, this is saw. So here children, look at this picture, some pictures of saw. So children, then he made the list of tools. One is they need saw and sanding powder. Okay, sanding paper. So children, what is meant by sanding paper? Here children, you can see here. Yes, this is called sanding paper. Okay, these are some sanding papers. And then what they need children, then they need a drill machine. Yes, so this is called a drill machine. Okay, so children, let me show you some model plane. Okay, मैं आपको क्या करूँगी, अभी कुछ पिक्चर्स दिखाऊंगी कि आप भी एक मॉडल प्लेन कैसे रेडी कर सकते हो. ओके, तो आपको वो मॉडल प्लेन रेडी करना है बच्चों और मुझे सेंड करना है. ओके, ये आपका क्या है, एक प्रोजेक्ट है. ओके, आपको भी एक मॉडल प्लेन रेडी करना है. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन सी हियर, yes, how they made a model plane from using that waste bottle and yes, using some waste material. See children, yes, yes, how this is so beautiful, isn't it children? See children, look at this picture. Yes, आप देख सकते हो कि कैसे क्रिएटिव हो के किस तरह से एक मॉडल प्लेन बनाया जाता है. यस, विद द हेल्प ऑफ जो घर पे ही जो चीज़ें होते हैं उससे भी बना सकते हैं. यस, सी हियर चिल्ड्रन, लुक एट दिस पिक्चर. सो डू वन थिंग, यू ऑल्सो मेड सम दिस टाइप ऑफ मॉडल प्लेन एंड सेंड इट टू मी. ओके, yes, see children, with the help of that Colgate box, yes, how they made a model plane. Yes children, so for making this type of plane or this type of model, they need some tools and they need some things. Yes children, like one piece of wood for the body and some smaller thinner piece of wood for the wings and tail. So children, see here, yes, this is called wings. Yes, then this is called tail, this is called nose, and this whole is called a body. Okay, so children, yes, these are called propellers. Yes, propellers, and this tail, these are called wings. Okay, so children, see here, these are called propellers, wings, then tail, and this is body. Okay, so children, see how they made a beautiful model plane. Yes, this is a picture of a model plane. Okay, so now I hope you're getting my point. Yes children, okay. Yes, so children, now come to the page number 52. Okay, so children, see here, I will read this para. Listen to me carefully and put your finger on the line where I am reading. Okay, Jeet was almost in tears. Tears means aansu. Okay, so write down the words and aansu. Aansu andre eno? Kannira barudu. Yes, aansu. So Jeet was almost in tears when he opened the toolbox. So ಅವ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು ಟೂಲ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನ ಕಣ್ಣಾಗ ನೀರು ಬರ್ತವೆ. Jeet was almost in tears when he opened the tool box, but we don't have all this in the tool box, he cried. So children, when he opened that tool box, no, he was literally crying because in his tool box there is no tools which he would needed. Yes, so children, so his uncle and his father says, don't worry, said Jeet's father, we will buy all this from the market. Let's get into the car. He was eager to get started. Who was children? Yes, Jeet was eager to get started. They spent the morning at the market buying each item carefully. After they came back, the three sat down to the task. Mother made them tea and sandwiches. Jeet helped Uncle Shirish and his father build the plane. So children, yes, so when he opened his toolbox, he was literally crying because he don't have all these in the box. Yes children, so after that his father said, don't worry Jeet, we will buy all these from the market. So let's get in the car, and he was eager to get started. Who? Yes, Jeet was very eager to get started, and they spent the morning at the market buying each item carefully. Yes children, so Jeet helped his father and Uncle Shirish by gluing the pieces of wings and tail together. Yes, so children, they got the material for building a plane from the market. Yes, okay, so now see here, they spent the morning at the market buying each item carefully. After they came back, the three sat down to the task, and mother made them tea and sandwiches. Jeet helped Uncle Shirish and his father build the plane. They took the bigger piece of wood for the body and drew the design on the side. Then they cut out the basic shape with the saw. When the basic shape was done, they used sandpaper to make the edges smooth. For the wings and tail, they took some small pieces of wood. They drew the wing and tail measurements on the wood and shaped those off. Then came the fun part. Jeet glued the pieces of wings and tail together. Yes, Jeet glued the pieces of wings and tail together. So बच्चों, Jeet was very thrilled when the plane was ready. Yes, Jeet enjoyed the most when he had to glue the pieces of wings and the tail together. Yes, children. So Jeet painted his plane. Yes, then they made up propellers out of the two plastic combs. Then they got the materials for building a plane from the market. Then they made the propellers out of the two plastic combs. Then children, what happened? See here, Jeet glued the pieces of wings and the tail together. Yes, वो क्या करता है, वो जो pieces है मैंने, let me show you some pictures. Here children, see. Yes. Okay. So children, yes. This is called wings and this is called tail. So Jeet, what he did children? Jeet painted. Yes, Jeet glued the pieces of wings and the tail together. So for the propellers they used two ice cream sticks. They glued the two sticks onto each other in the middle and Jeet watched as Uncle Shirish filled a large round stick until it was the right shape. Yes children. So children, yes, so the next part we will continue in our next class children. Till then, stay home, stay safe and prepare one model plane children. Okay. So children, the next part we will discuss in our next class. Okay. So till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.